What's up, guys? It's your girl Matt Cox from A Couture Crafting. I am your quilty BFF, and I am so much your quilty BFF that I'm about to do something that most people don't do. So I'm actually sitting in the office right this second with my fabric rep. You guys are like, why would you have a fabric rep? You don't sell fabric. Actually, I do. You guys just haven't seen that, but that's a whole thing. There's so much that's happening behind the scenes that nobody knows about, but forget all that. Let's just get to the nitty gritty. Greywork just came out. I am obsessed. She opened it and I just freaked out. When I saw it posted before, I was like, wait, what? I was ready. I was absolutely ready. I knew I was in. Line work is my favorite line by Tula Pink, I think, of all time. Line work is. Now we've got Greywork, which is an amazing addition to line work, in my opinion. So there is nothing like seeing fabric. So many fabric companies are not able to show you fabric when you're buying it. They only show you like a print. Like this right here is a print. And you can tell from this that it is beautiful. And I mean, I'm up on it, right? But when you can see fabric, it hits different. So let's go through it really quickly. Again, I'm kind of holding my fabric rep hostage right now because I've got her stuff. But I was like, wait, my people have to see this. So I didn't look really closely at everything. Check out these puffins. Wait for it. Oh my goodness. All right. Again, back to this puffin. Look at the detail on it. There is nothing like seeing fabric on a video. Pictures just do not do it justice. It feels so good. I am here for it. This is an up close and personal look at the brand new fabric line. I'm definitely going to get some of this for sure. Okay. Let me show you more. The bottom here, we're definitely going to get some of this. We're probably going to get the whole thing. I'm being honest, but ouch. Pop myself in the face. This is my favorite. This is my girl. What did she name it? Wolf of Pink Street. Of course she did. Of course she did. Can you guys see that? This is absolutely amazing. I'm going to walk it out just a little bit so you can see. Sorry, I'm standing next to a wall here. This is it. This is my jam. And then we've got the two. We're going to get those, don't worry. And again, this line is called Greywork. Everything is gray on gray. Look at that beauty mark. Is that a leopard? I think it's a leopard. Is it a jaguar? It's a kitty. Because the only way to tell is the closed circles, right, versus the open ones. And so I guess it gets to be whatever you want, but look at it. You really look at the colorway. It's just like line work, but better. Actually, I don't know if it's better. It's just like line work, but awesome. Look at that. Boy, did she nail it. That beauty mark, she's absolutely delicious. This right here, we're going to have a whole conversation about fog. And then we've got the polka dots. So we've got fairy frost, fairy dust in a different colorway. I know you guys are like, didn't she have gray before? But I'm going to show you the gray in just a second. And then here we have the little sea otters, which are also cute. And then here we have the blenders that go with it. So for me, the ones that we're probably going to get the whole line. And you guys will see what we do with them. But beauty marks and that wolf. I know, I'm standing crazy. I'm recording in a weird spot. Don't worry. Don't worry, don't worry. So that's in the lighter colorway. And then we have a darker colorway right here. And look at that. Oh, my goodness. Look at how beautiful. Y'all know I'm a Tula Pink girly. And this line here is my jam. The last one that came out, it was okay. It wasn't really, but this one, oh my goodness. When it's for you, it's just for you. And I feel like she did this one for me. I always said line work was done for me. Then she was like, I really love you. And we're going to do Greywork. Check out how they used it in this one. I know she's been showing some on her channel, and I don't know if she showed this one, but I do like that quilt also. That's designed by Stacey Day. Hey, I like Stacey Day. Go Stacey Day, go Stacey Day. Then we've got Carbon with the bear. I am at a very strange angle, guys, so just bear with me. Then we've got these two. We're definitely doing those. The stripes hit every time. And then this is my favorite of the collection. My absolute favorite is Wolf of Pink Street in the Carbon. That is amazing, and that is amazing. Look at her. Look at her face. Look at the detail, where everything is placed. Look at the femininity in the eyes. It's just amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at the rose sitting at the top of the head. You guys see that? The flower. I shouldn't say the rose. The flower. And then we've got Seal the Deal. And then some more blenders. This line is epic. We're gonna go crazy. Let me show you something. When I'm recording, usually you will see this behind me. And I, at first look, was like, oh, it's just the same, but really it's not. When I was making this, I was talking about the tone of this gray, and I didn't really love it with everything else. I mean, it was what I had, so it was fine, and I still love fairy dust, and it's fine. And I was like, is this the same? You guys, I asked, I was like, I need fairy dust in different grays. I said it, and you know what? She delivered. Here's another one of the pillows. If you guys don't remember that pillow, here's another one. And you know what? I think we're gonna do some classes on this. Here's the other one. You see that color? Can you guys see the difference in the tone? Hopefully you can. This one, where my thumb is, kind of has a warmer tone to it, and this one is definitely cooler. It's like the next step, and I think they're gonna go beautifully. It makes me almost want to redo all of these pillows just to, it's so pretty together. Those two grays, and Tula does black on black better than anyone. I'll never forget the first time I went to a quilt store, and she was like, let me show you my favorite black in the store. And I was like, your favorite black in the store? And she went right to this black. And I was like, what? Why? And then I started playing with it, and I completely understand how this could be somebody's favorite black. I love when she does black on black. Here they are together. Those are those two. I don't have a third hand to do the third one, but you guys get the picture, hopefully. They look amazing together. So, tell your local quilt shops, ask them if they got Greywork in, because that wolf and that leopard cat, that kitty over there, we are going to do some things. Oh, we're going to do some things. I am here. I am buying I'll probably do the whole line. We'll see. You guys will be able to get it from me when I do the special things with it. Anyway, you guys have been asking about it. You guys have been wondering where I am. I am behind the scenes of A Couture Crafting, trying to get things amazing for you. Things are happening. And when I pop out, be ready, because we are on this journey together. I will be in Paducah in next week or the week after that. Don't worry, we'll be doing some live coverage. We'll be doing some things. So be sure to subscribe and hang out. This is Free Spirit, Tula Pink's line, Greywork. She nailed it. Another amazing line. All right, I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.